All right, guys, we're doing Accoya wood today in Buffalo, New York at our mill, Advantage Lumber. We want to show you the difference between the two different Accoya color options. So in my hand right here, this is the regular Accoya. They don't really give it a color designation. It's just called Accoya wood. And you can see this is more of like a natural tan, a really light wood. So if you want a really light wood for your next project, this regular Accoya wood has a natural color tone, super kind of more light color, so with that grain to it. So, and then we just milled this whole order of Accoya gray. So the Accoya gray, if you're looking for like a weathered, but with a natural wood instead of doing a composite or something like that, this is a really good option because the gray gives you this consistent, almost like a composite synthetic look, but it's actually natural wood, and the gray is really consistent. So if you're looking for a gray weathered look, the Accoya gray is a perfect option for ceiling, siding. We mill this just for like a regular deck board, but it can be used for ceiling, siding, decking, all stuff like that. And then, like I said, this is the natural, or just, they don't call it natural, they just say Accoya wood is the regular kind of light wood color. So the difference between the regular Accoya and Accoya gray, these are the two options that Accoya offers. And AdvantageLumber.com, we can mill it in, like I said, decking, siding, ceiling, tongue and groove, shiplap, any of those profiles. So AdvantageLumber.com, and you can shop all the Accoya wood options.